Hey guys, it's Des and I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be some sort of eye makeup look. I'm not too sure exactly what look I want to do, but you guys will see in the thumbnail what I come up with. So if you want to see how I got that look, just keep on watching. So this is actually my first talk through video. I've never done a talk through. It's always just me doing my makeup with the music in the background. So we're gonna see how this goes. First of all, let me take off this damn head wrap because this is a hot mess. I'm not about to be my video looking like this. I dyed my hair yesterday and the video will be up by the time you see this video. So make sure to go check that out. How I dyed, blow dried, and straightened my hair. My face is already washed and moisturized. My eyebrows are done. I just haven't primed yet. So, like I always prime with, I'm gonna use the Becca Primer. Got it from Sephora for like, honestly, I don't even know how much it was. I want to say like 27 bucks. I don't know. I'm gonna put this much on my ashy fingers and I'm gonna rub that in. This is just gonna be for my nose because I have like I don't know. So I have like oily skin, but sometimes I have dry skin, but my T-zone is always oily. So I only put Becca right here. And then the rest of my skin, if I don't leave it bare, I'll just use like some type of cheap primer. So yeah, I just tap that. You see how it's matte already? That's what I'm talking about. I need stuff like that. So I'm gonna put like that much on my fat forehead and I'm gonna rub it in and move these edges. Rub it in and I'm just gonna pat it on my forehead as well. But the thing with this is if you pat it and like you leave like one little fingerprint, when you do your foundation you're gonna see it, like it's gonna look noticeably different. So I like pat it a little bit and then I rub it like to smooth the edges away so you can't see like the line. I don't know how to explain it, but you know. I like pat and rub at the same time, kinda, you see, like this. And then the excess I just put more on my nose because that junk be oily. So now I'm nice and ashy, you see? Just like that. So you guys know I use concealer on my eyelids as like a eyeshadow primer. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the color is Tan Sand. And if you see my wrists are dark, y'all don't be alarmed. It's just because I dyed my hair and I'm very messy with it. And this concealer, it kind of sets fast. So don't let it sit on your skin too long or else it'll be a little harder to blend out. To set this eye before I do the other eye, because I don't want to start creasing, I'm just gonna use the CoverGirl Clean Professional. I know it's just powder. And I'm gonna use this brush. I don't know where I got it from. I probably got it from like Marshall's or something. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. Please excuse any ugly faces that I make in this video. Okay, so once you look like a raccoon in reverse, you're just going to dust off the powder. Just like that. Now I look wide awake. Ooh. Okay, so I bought this NYX Retractable Eyeliner Pencil from the store. And it's like this really pretty aqua color. So I'm thinking that I want to use that in my crease. But if I use that in my crease, then the actual eyelid can't be like too wild or else the colors might clash. So I think I'm gonna do like a nice nude or neutral cut crease. And then y'all will see. So I'm gonna throw it all the way back and we're gonna be using the Naked palette. This is the first one. And I'm just going to use this blending brush. I don't even know like what brand it is, but I got it from my beauty supply store for like $1. And I'm going to take the fifth color from the left. It's called Buck in the NYX palette. I'm just gonna put that in my crease and I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, So now that color's in my crease, I'm just going to take this other brush that I don't know where it came from, probably Marshall's or something like that, and I'm just gonna use this to blend it out. It's not a blending brush, but it's really fluffy, so I just use it as one. Okay, so once you're done blending it, like up to the point where you think it looks nice, then I'm just gonna take this really skinny brush like this. Oh my god, my hand looks so bad. Okay, I'm gonna take this little skinny brush and I'm gonna use the Tartelette in Bloom. Looks in this, and I'm gonna use the dark color that's called Activist, and I'm gonna use the skinny brush because I'm gonna carve out my crease. So it should look something like that. And now you're just gonna blend out that little line that you made. And when you're blending, drag out the corner because it's gonna help the crease look more elongated. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but for me, here's the fun part. I know it looks kind of messy right now, but just wait for it, just wait. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I use to outline my eyebrows. You guys didn't see that part, but this is the same brush that I use. And I'm going to use a brighter concealer than the Tarte one. It's the Milani concealer, and I think it's in the color, oh, it's in the color medium light. And now we're gonna use the concealer to really carve out and define our crease. So first, I'm gonna start low on the eyelid. I'm done cutting that crease. Now I'm gonna take the same CoverGirl powder and I'm gonna set the concealer. So now that this is set, I'm just gonna do the other eye so that I can just get them even before I move on. So I went ahead and finished the second eye. So now they look like this. And now I'm trying to think, like, should I just keep the lid like a nude color, or should I put like, I don't know. Sorry, my modern Renaissance pattern is a mess. I'm gonna take the second color at the top, and it's called Golden Ochre. I'm just gonna take this clean brush and I'm gonna pack it on top of my lid. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face. It's gonna look weird until I like bring it all together, but you guys will see that. Of course, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm in the color 390, which is a warm color, I believe. And then I'm gonna take this foundation brush. Again, I don't know where this is from. I'm just gonna blend it out. And after I'm done doing that with the brush, I'm just gonna blend it with the blender just to make sure it's seamless. And then for my forehead, I'm gonna do another half of drop. Just because I don't want to use that much foundation today since my eye look is sort of dramatic. So now that I'm done blending this, I know it still looks really ridiculous. I'm going to take my Tarte concealer again, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes. So now I'm just gonna do my top lip and my chin. I feel like I look like an Egyptian queen or something with this short black hair and this cut crease. Maybe that's what I should be for Halloween. Yeah, I saw The Incredibles the other day, and tell me why Elastigirl is thick as hell. Why is she so thick though? I need to be like that. That's my body goals right there. I was thinking about being her for Halloween, but this just made me think about being an Egyptian for Halloween. And my hair is gonna be a little bit longer, so it'll be like right here by the time it's Halloween. I'll be cute. Hold the front door. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. And I've been trying to cuss less, so if I say weird stuff like hold the front door, or if I say freak a lot, I don't think I've said freak a lot in this video, but it's just because I'm trying not to cuss as often. I used to cuss so much, and that's not cute, so your girl's trying to get better. So now I'm just gonna take that light concealer again, the Milani, and I'm just gonna put like 3 dots under my eyeballs just to brighten it a little bit more under there, because I kind of want this to be bold and I kind of don't, just like in between. Like, I want it to be a noticeable highlight under my eyes, but not like, boom, drag queen. You know what I mean? So now that I'm done blending, I'm trying not to squint so much because I'm not trying to crease anything. I'm going to take the same CoverGirl powder that I used, and I'm just going to set. Now, while this is all setting, I don't have to worry about creasing anymore. I'm just going to put, like, a little bit of this to contour. It's a contour stick by Sephora. Actually, I think it's called a foundation stick, but I'm using it to contour. And I'm gonna use this roundish brush to buff and blend that out. So a lot of girls, when they contour, they just do it the regular spot that everybody else does, but you have to contour for your face. So everybody's face is different. Your contour is not going to be in the exact same spot as everybody else's. And now I'm just going to put like a few little lines on my forehead, like 3, and I'm going to buff that out too. And I'm gonna try not to mess up my cute little edges that I did. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna take this, another contour brush, and it already has some powder on it. I'm just gonna use that to set it. Now I'm just going to brush off that CoverGirl setting powder. My face is basically done, and now I'm just gonna go back to the eye look, and this is where this blue eyeliner is gonna come in. This is also where I either make or break this makeup look. So I'm just gonna use this and my waterline just like a regular black or white eyeliner. I like that, but I feel like I need some more, like something more. Like I'm probably gonna add eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this Morphe palette. It's the Morphe 35B palette. I'm gonna mix these two. Yeah, I'm gonna mix this greenish color and this blue color. now here's the look. And I'm really liking it so far. I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I think I want to wear some falsies today, so I'm gonna go get my falsies. I have my lashes, and they're just some, I think they're the Ardell Wispies, and then just my Kiss adhesive. I'm gonna try to do this. I don't have any tweezers, so yeah. I'm just gonna put like a little layer of mascara, just so that when my lashes are on, I can squeeze them together and make a stick. So I've seen posts about how you're not supposed to wave your lashes like this or blow on them, but I don't know why not, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. I don't know how you people do this with nails on. Like, I really have no idea. I could barely do it without nails, and I could barely do it with tweezers, so. Did I do it? Oh shoot. Hold the front door. Do I like it though? I feel like it's too much. I feel like this is too much. I don't know. I'm gonna just do the other eye and see how I feel about it. Did I do it though? This is like the biggest struggle of the century. I don't know how you beauty girls do this. Okay, well, my eyelashes are sort of kind of on. I don't know. Let me see. How do they look? If they look a hot ass mess, just don't tell me. So now I'm just gonna put my mascara on my bottom lash line, and it's the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express one. Oh, my eyes feel so heavy with these. Okay, so now, as always, I take my little Milani crushed up freaking, what is this, highlighter that I dropped and I'm so pissed about. I'm gonna put it to highlight. I love this stuff, it's really pretty. I like it on my skin too. Damn, that hair flip was atrocious. Okay, so now what I think is going to really bring this look together is the Nude Lips. So I'm taking the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics, or the Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar Lip Liner. And I'm just gonna line that. And now I'm gonna take the same matching liquid lipstick. Is this the same one? Yeah, in Brown Sugar. And now that I'm pretty much done, I'm just going to put this scarf over my edges and my hair to protect it while I spritz my face. So I'm just going to use the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix setting spray. So here's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications if you haven't already. If you've been on my channel up to this point, I really hope your post notifications are on by now. But if they're not, just go ahead and turn them on. Other than that, we're on the road to 200. Stay happy, stay positive, and stay blessed. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.